All right, here's a sweet potato Ninja Creami. We got coconut milk. We got sweet potato that's been cooked in the oven. Whoops, we're making a mess already, folks. But that's how we do it here in the Micro Creami kitchen. All right, coconut milk in there. You probably don't need all of it. We'll save a little bit. And then we're gonna do some Oregon Simple Plant Protein with the chocolate peanut butter. I'd probably do vanilla too, but I couldn't find any vanilla. We'll just do, should we do 1 scoop or 2 scoops? Let's do 2 scoops. I just feel like that'll make it extra proteiny. All right, into the Ninja Bullet. God dang, we're making a mess. Quick cleanup on aisle 2. Now, I don't know if I want it chunky or not. I mean, it might be kind of good actually though, with little sweet potato chunks in the Creami, so. Ooh, that's thick. Whew, all right. Oh, that's really on there. This might be too thick. Oh yeah, that needs more almond or coconut. Let's put the rest of the coconut milk in there. Oh, this is gonna overflow for sure. Whew. I'll loosen it up a little bit. All right, that's way better. Now we got a little bit more of a drippy consistency. Let's check the flavor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's bomb. Honestly, like, I could put a little stevia in it, but I don't even think it needs it because the sweet potato is already sweet and this protein powder is pretty sweet. So we're just gonna rock like that. So now we just need our Creami container. All right, Creami container. Blah. Pour it in. That is thick. Whoo. That is a thick one. I think I'm probably gonna thin it out a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is add some oat milk because we're dairy free up in here. So all my recipes are dairy free. So we'll throw that in there. And we'll just give it a little slosh around there. A little slosheroonie. Okay, let's see, this guy will work. All right, we'll just pour that right in there. Scrape the sides down a little bit. This thing doesn't work at all for that. Oh well. All right, now we're just gonna kind of mix that in so it's a little bit more soupy, not so thick. We like it thick, but not so thick. Not so thick, little thick. All right, now we got a nice base. We're gonna make a little bit more of a mess, drip some more stuff on the counter just so that we can clean it up. Oh yeah, that's bomb. And there you have it. Now we'll pop this in the freezer and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll blend her up.